Dear students, today we are going to read the first poem, My Mother at 66, and this is a very beautiful poem and written by the poetess Kamala Das. And Kamala Das is an Indian poet, and she writes in this poem about the relationship of a daughter with her mother, and she used the theme in the poem, the love and affection of a daughter towards her aged mother. And she also tells us about the aging, and aging is a natural process, and it is an inevitability of natural process. So we start the poem My Mother at 66. Firstly, we read about the poet Kamala Das. Kamala Das was born in 1934 and she was died in 2019. She was born in Malabar, Kerala. So students, I have told you that she was an Indian poet. So she was born in Malabar, Kerala. She is recognized as one of India's foremost poets. Foremost means well known, famous. तो उन्हें एक भारत की जानी मानी या जो प्रसिद्ध कवि हैं उनमें से एक के रूप में जाना जाता है. हर वर्क्स आर नोन फॉर देयर ओरिजिनलिटी, वर्सटैलिटी एंड द इंडिजीनियस फ्लेवर ऑफ द सॉइल. उनका जो लिटरेरी वर्क है उसको वास्तविकता के लिए और विविधता के लिए और उसमें भारतीय मिट्टी की जो महक पाई जाती है उसके लिए उनके साहित्यिक काम को एक अलग पहचान मिली है. कमला दास हैज़ पब्लिश्ड मैनी नॉवेल्स एंड शॉर्ट स्टोरीज इन इंग्लिश. कमला दास ने बहुत सारे इंग्लिश नॉवेल्स लिखे हैं. इसके अलावा बहुत सारी लघु कहानियाँ लिखी हैं इंग्लिश भाषा में और साथ ही साथ मलयालम में अंडर द नेम माधवी कुट्टी. एंड दिस वाज हर पेन नेम which is adopted by a writer to write the literary work. So Madhi Kutti was her pen name. Some of her works in English, उनके कुछ इंग्लिश में फेमस काम है, इंक्लूड द नोवेल जिसमें एक उपन्यास है अल्फाबेट ऑफ लस्ट, एक कलेक्शन ऑफ शॉर्ट स्टोरीज है पद्मावती द हेरलॉट एंड अदर स्टोरीज which were published in 1992 in addition to 5 books of poetry. इसके अलावा उन्होंने 5 पोइट्री की बुक्स लिखी हैं. She is a sensitive writer who captures the complex subtleties of human relationship in lyrical idiom. और वो बहुत ही संवेदनशील लेखिका है जो कि मानवीय संबंधों में जो जटिलता है उसको बड़ी आसानी से उसको जो है प्रस्तुत किया गया है साहित्यिक इडियम या लिरिकल इडियम के माध्यम से. माई मदर एट 66 इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ लिरिकल इडियम विच रिप्रेजेंट्स द ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज एंड शी यूज्ड द थीम love and affection of a daughter towards her aged mother. And aging is a quite natural process and no one can escape from it, and it is quite an uninevitable. So let us start the poem. Before you read, aging is a natural process. As we already discussed that aging is a quite natural process. Have you ever thought what our elderly parents expect from us? क्या कभी आपने सोचा है कि हमारे एल्डरली पेरेंट्स हमारे से क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, क्या उम्मीद करते हैं? Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me, dozed, open-mouthed, her face ashen like that of a corpse, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting and merry children spilling out of their homes. But after the airport's security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her van, pale as a late winter's moon, and felt that old familiar etching. my childhood's fear. But all I said was, see you soon, Amma. All I did was smile and smile and smile. Firstly, before explanation, I want to give you the meaning of difficult words. Firstly, first word is doze. Doze means light sleep. Or SN means a lack of energy, yeah, look dull and pale. PALE. Corpse means dead body. Realized means felt. Put that thought away means the poetess wants to put the thought of her mind away from that her mother will die soon and she will lose her mother. This kind of thoughts are coming into her mind, and she tried to put that kind of thoughts away from her mind, and she looked out of the car window and she saw young trees sprinting. Sprinting means running very fast in opposite direction. Merry children spilling. Merry means happy. Spilling out means coming out of their homes. Here, trees and merry children are contrast to her mother. These symbols used for youth and energy, but her mother's situation was very contrast to these symbols. But after the airport security check, एयरपोर्ट सिक्योरिटी चेक के बाद few yards means a unit of measurement, and when means colorless or sickly. As a late winter's moon symbolize the decay or death, and felt the old familiar means well known. H means pain. My childhood fears, all I said was, see you soon, Amma. It means she wants to console her mother, and she wants to be assure her mother that she will come again and she will meet her again. And I did was smile and smile and smile, smile and smile. Through this repetition, the poetess wants to convey the message that she will meet her again. Definitely she will come and she will meet her again, and maybe she has some kind of fear in her mind that she will not able to see her mother again. So she give the expression of smile, and it's the smile of the poetess is quite artificial because she has some kind of fear in her mind, but she wants to assure and console her mother, so she used this expression, smile and smile and smile. Now let us start the poem's explanation line by line. Driving from my parents' home, it means the poetess visited her parents' home for holiday, and she spent some time in her parents' home, and from her parents' home she was going to catch a aeroplane, and she was going to Cochin airport to catch a plane, and she was driving in a car. And last Friday morning she was going on the Friday morning to catch a plane to Cochin, and she was driving a car. I saw my mother beside me. The poetess looked at her mother, and her mother was accompanied her, and she was seated beside her. Doze means her mother was in a light sleep, and her mouth was opened, and her face looked like dull and pale face and colorless and that of a corpse, and she realized that her mother's face looked like a dead body, and realized with pain, and the poetess felt pain in her mind, and she thought that she will lose her mother and maybe her mother will die soon. That she was as old, and she has some kind of pain in her mind that her mother was very old, and but she tried to put that thought away. Looked but soon put that thought away means the poetess tried to put that thought away from her mind, and she tried to divert her mind from that thought, and she looked out of the window of the car, and she looked at young trees sprinting. पोइटेस देखती है कि जो ट्रीज हैं वो बहुत ही तेज गति से अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में ट्रैवल करते दिखाई देते हैं। द मैरी चिल्ड्रन स्पिलिंग आउट ऑफ देयर होम्स, और जो हैप्पी चिल्ड्रन हैं वो अपने घरों से बाहर आ रहे हैं। बट आफ्टर द एयरपोर्ट सिक्योरिटी चेक, हेयर 2 images used by the poetess. Trees printing also represents the poetic device personification, and it's also used as a symbol of youth and energy. And Mary Children's also contrast to her mother's situation. They are also used as the symbol of youth and energy and happiness. So, but after the airport security check, परंतु एयरपोर्ट पर सिक्योरिटी चेक के बाद स्टैंडिंग ए फ्यू यार्ड्स, कुछ गज की दूरी पर, कुछ मीटर की दूरी पर खड़े हुए, आई लुक्ड अगेन एट हर व्हेन पेल. The poetess looked at her mother again, and she saw her mother's face was looking as colorless and yellowness, and she compares her mother's face with late winter's moon. Late winter moons symbolize the decay and death, and she has come. The thought has come into her mind that she will lose her mother, and her mother will maybe died soon, and felt that old familiar HA, and she realized the same childhood fear that she will be separated from her mother. Maybe in childhood she was separated from her mother, so this kind of fear she feels again, my childhood's fear. So she tried to console her mother, and she wants to assure her mother, and said that I will see you soon, Amma. I will come back, and after some time I will meet you again. And she wants to assure the old lady, and I did was smile and smile and smile, and through this expression the poetess wants to console and assure her mother that after some time she will come back, and she will try to give happiness her mother, but she has some kind of fear in her mind, and she gave a farewell to her mother. And she also described the natural process of aging. She feels that no one can escape from the aging. So through this poem she describes her relationship with her old mother, and through this loving poem the poetess wants to express her ideas about aging process and the love of a daughter towards her aged mother. So thank you, and we will continue next poem in next video.